Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making some coconut hot chocolate along with some super cute marshmallow snowmen to go on top. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is make our marshmallow snowmen or women. Start with spearing a pretzel through 3 marshmallows, then dip a toothpick into melted chocolate to create the eyes, the buttons, and the smile. To give my snowmen a little extra fancy look, I picked some fresh basil flowers and rosemary from my garden to give them hats and scarves. Just a warning, make sure whatever you pick is edible. Aren't these just the cutest snowmen ever? Okay, so now we can start making our coconut hot chocolate. This hot chocolate is a big batch, so it can be for about 3 to 4 people, depending on how much hot chocolate you want. And today we are not using regular milk, we're actually using coconut milk, and we have 4 cups of coconut milk. There we go. And we can honestly add in all of our ingredients right now, which I love. So we also have half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate. So I just use a chocolate bar and I cut it all up so I have nice big chocolate chunks. And I'm also going to be adding in a 4th cup of cocoa powder, along with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a 4th cup of nice, really good quality maple syrup. And now we can stir this all together, and we're gonna cook this over medium heat. You don't want this mixture to boil, but you want everything to come together until it starts to steam and get really hot, and then your hot chocolate is done. Okay, so now that our hot chocolate is ready, one ingredient I forgot to add was just a dash of salt, but that is totally optional, so I just added at the end. You'll never know. And now we can serve up our hot chocolate. I'm so excited. It looks delicious. So now we can add some nice dollops of whipped cream to our hot chocolate. Now we can add in my favorite part, our little marshmallow snowman, and he's so cute. Now the best part, getting to taste it. And be careful because it's very full. It's so delicious. I am obsessed with this coconut whipped cream. It's so tasty and full of coconut flavor. I just absolutely love this drink. And I really want to say a big special thank you to who I got this recipe from. It's Half Baked Harvest. She has incredible recipes. I love her, so you should definitely check her out. And also, if you love hot chocolate as much as I do, there should be a playlist right over here or over here of all my hot chocolates. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.